Lucas, here you go. Beans and wieners.
Is the bowl done already?
Huh?
Yep. He was the first one done.
Oh, that's obvious. I'll wind them all up again one more time. For the camcorder. Are my beans and wieners ready? Okay, just asking. Yeah, the bowl is really broken. It was almost all the way wound up still. It looks cool in the camcorder with them like that. I'm gonna wind them back up when they stop. Here, I'll wind them all up. No, go at the same time.
He won.
Yep, the bowl will never ever win.
I know that.
No. Dumb donkey.
The donkey is gonna lose.
Yeah, one of the horses are gonna win. They always win because they go so on.
Man, I'm getting hungry for a banana.
Oh, well, help yourself.
And there's one.
Oh. I like these hopping ones. They're so fun.
Jordan,
Yeah?
better eat your fly. Better eat before your fly goes.
Oh,
I agree.
who won? I didn't see who won.
I will not win.